Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking down what matters. Pick 3-5 core points and locate your images or data. Once done, select a single template and set the 16:9 slide ratio so layouts stay consistent. Make a quick style, one font for headings, one for body, and a simple color palette. Now create the title slide and build 1-2 content slides. Add clear headings and 3 to 5 concise bullets so each slide holds a single idea. Next, you shape the narrative. Assign one main idea per slide and support it with a single visual or chart so your message stays clear. Make adjustments in the slide master to fix headers, footers, logo placement, and default spacing so edits propagate. Once your content exists, arrange slides into a logical sequence and apply subtle transitions. Keep animations minimal to avoid distraction. Review slide timing and speaker notes, and make sure each slide has an obvious call to action or takeaway. Finish by proofreading and running spell check, then rehearse aloud to confirm pacing and slide length. Once satisfied, export a PDF copy and save a backup PPTX. Test both on the device and projector you will use to catch display or aspect ratio issues. Check speaker notes and set slide timings if needed. If you encounter missing fonts or layout shifts, embed fonts or switch to system-safe fonts, and always carry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.